Good morning, children. So here we are with our next video that's based on chapter measurement. And earlier in measurement, we did measurement of distance and length. We saw different units of length, the bigger units, the smaller units. And in another video, we saw conversion from one unit to another. Now the next is measurement of mass, that is weight. Now this in the picture that you have is not something new to you. This is called as a weighing scale, where one side you keep some weight and the other side you keep something that you have to weigh to compare the thing that you want to weigh with the weight on the other side, and accordingly you find out the weight of the stuff. Let's see what exactly. Now, these kind of weighing machines, you all must have seen the one with the needle. The weighing machine you must be having, I'm sure, the weight weighing machine at home. And this small weighing machine you must have seen at the shops, especially, the bakery shop people, these keep these kind of small weighing machines because they don't have to measure too much of very heavy things. So they keep this kind of stuff. And these days, this is for heavier stuffs, in the go down and all, where a bit more weight things are there. So basically, these are the instruments that are used for weighing mass. Okay. Now I can stand on this machine. In school, you must have seen this machine where you stand and your weight is checked, right? So you also have some matter in your body, and that matter is to be weighed. So mass is weighed in kg. ओके, जो हैवी थिंग्स हैं उसको हम लोग केजी में वे करते हैं. And of course there are other units of weighing. Let's see what. Okay, you must have come across these weights also, right? जब हम सब्जियां लेने जाते हैं, especially that time we see these kind of weight shapes there, the hexagonal shapes, and uspe it's written 1 kg, 2 kg, then mostly below 2 kg, and then half 500 grams, 25 100, sorry, 500 grams, 250 grams, and like that. Of course, we don't see 10 kg and 5 kg and all that, of course, but the 10 kg, 5 kg, 20 kg may be seen at big godowns where you see lot of wood, cement, and all this kind of things, जहाँ पर बड़ी बड़ी cement की बोरियां, बड़े बड़े wood logs you see. So there you see big weighing machines, weighing scales, and then there they keep this big weighing shapes, that is 20 kg, 10 kg, and 5 kg. Okay, so the metric units of weighing of the weight of mass is kilograms, grams, and milligrams. Kilograms is written in capital K, grams is written in small g, and milligrams is written as small mg. We will see that. So, equivalent units of mass. The matrices is basically what units we are using. 1 kilogram, that is kg, is equals to 1000 grams, that is g. 1 gram is equals to 1000 milligrams, that is mg. Sorry, here we can write capital kg also, and we can write it in small kg also. Here on the weights you also usually, it's written in capital. So 1 kilogram, that is 1 kg, is 1000 grams, as I said, and 1 gram is equals to 1000 milligrams, that is mg. Now, what is next? Choose the metric unit to measure mass. My eyelashes is very lightweight feather. is very lightweight. Paper is very lightweight. Then maybe my sharpener, my eraser, my pencil, these are all very lightweights. Then if we go into heavier things, you can see a ceramic mug, a ceramic bowl, a plate, a shampoo bottle, a water bottle. Sorry, we'll not go for water bottle. Then I don't want to get confused with capacity. Okay, your mobile phone, your laptop. Then what else we can see around? I can see a lot of things. My pillow, then the cushion, then lot of things are there which are little more heavier than the things that we spoke, like paper and eyelashes and feather and all. Then heavier than this, heavy books. Okay, some books are light, of course, they are thin and light, but there are heavier books. Then you buy something like a big packet of um maybe 5 kg of rice. Then you buy, Papa goes to market on Sunday and he brings lots of big full of vegetables. So, but he's buying it in parts. Some vegetables are just 1 kg, some are 500 grams, some are just 250 grams, maybe some are 2 kgs. And he fills up the bag and brings lots of kgs of vegetables. So that is kg. When I make you stand on a weighing machine, you are weighed in kg. Okay, you cannot be weighed in milligram and gram. So lighter things, like for the length we saw, smaller lengths are measured in millimeter and centimeter. Bigger, little bigger things are measured, like almirah height, the door height, are measured in meter. And then longer distances, like the distance between one place to another, is measured in kilometer. So same thing happens in while weighing the mass, that is lighter things are measured in milligrams, little heavier things, like here a pin is given here, it can be measured in milligrams as well as grams. And then kilograms goes for heavier mass. Now grams, like usually when you go to buy gold, you go to buy silver, it's usually, you must have seen, it's in grams. Now children, there is an at times, sometimes people do write grams as gm also, so that's okay. Okay, the standard way is g, but sometimes grams sunke they write gm, or maybe some places you will see written as gm, so don't get confused. But G is the standard way of writing it, mg and kg. Okay, so the conversion rate between the three luckily is 1000. We saw that 1 kg is 1000 grams and 1000 grams is 1 milligram. Not like in case of length, it's all different, 10, 100 and 1000. But in this case, the conversion is 1000 only. Okay, for both the cases. So of course, when I want to convert from higher unit to, the highest unit is kilogram and the lowest unit is milligram and the center unit is gram. So when I want to convert from higher unit to lower unit, I multiply, and when I want to convert from lower unit to higher unit, I divide, and my conversion rate for all these three is 1000. As we have been discussing that we always use the conversion rate. Now let's see what we have more. Again, milligram, gram and kg. As I said, the conversion rate, 1000 milligram is equals to 1 kg. Sorry, 1 gram. 1000 grams is equals to 1 kg. So 1 milligram will be 1 by 1000 grams and 1 gram will be 1 by 1000 kg. That is because we are moving from lower unit to higher unit. So we are dividing, and when we are moving from higher unit to lower unit, we are multiplying. ये छोटे यूनिट से हम लोग बड़े यूनिट पर जा रहे हैं. So we are, just a moment. we are dividing. We are dividing. These are the conversion rates. And here, when we are going from higher unit to smaller unit, higher unit to smaller unit, we are multiplying it by 1000. Okay. So I hope there is no confusion here. You all are understanding this very clearly. Then how many grams are there in 12 kilograms? There is one question for you. How many grams are there in 12 kilograms? Now, kilograms is the highest unit और उसमें कितने grams है मतलब छोटे unit पर जाना है. That means obviously we are going to multiply by 1000. If you can see here, 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. And because I'm going from kg to grams, so I'm going to multiply it by 1000. So if 1 kg is 1000 grams, 2 kg is 2000 grams. This is just an example. This is not the way you are going to multiply and check every time with every number. So obviously 12 kg is going to be 12,000 grams. Basically 12 will be multiplied by 1000. So it becomes 12,000 grams. Right? So every time like 1 is multiplied by 1 here, so I get 1000 grams. 2 is multiplied by 1000, so 2000. 3 is multiplied by 1000, so 3000. And simultaneously 12 is multiplied by 1000, so you get 12,000 grams. We have gone from bigger unit to smaller unit. Now, children, I hope you're realizing that when we are doing this conversion by multiplying or dividing, आपको एक चीज समझ में आ रही होगी कि the smaller the unit, the bigger the number. The bigger the unit, the smaller the number. 12 kg, 12,000 grams. 12 kg, 12,000 grams. जब वो kg में है तो small number है और जब वो grams में है तो वो bigger number है because we multiplied it with 1000. Obviously, after multiplication, we get a bigger number and we divide when we go from smaller unit to bigger unit. So we divide and we get a smaller number. Obviously, in division, we do get a smaller number, isn't it? So that's the thing you have to keep it in mind कि जब मेरे पास बड़ा यूनिट है तो नंबर will should be smaller और जब मेरे पास छोटा यूनिट में है तो number should be bigger. So obviously when I multiply then I get bigger number and when I divide I get smaller number. That's the way also you can remember. Let's see something more. We convert from bigger unit to smaller unit, we multiply. Yes. We convert from smaller to bigger unit, we divide. Just now we saw. Big to small, so multiply. And in this particular case, conversion rate is 1000. Big to small, so multiply. Conversion rate is 1000. That is, kg is big and gram was small. So we did multiply with 1000. And when we convert from gram to mg, that is milligram, again we multiply by 1000 because conversion rate is 1000. Let's see more. So multiply and conversion rate is 1000. Let's try some examples here. 3 kg 2 grams. 3 kg 2 grams. So what are we going to do? The conversion rate is 1000. Yes, obviously you must be thinking right now what to do. Yes, multiply 3 into 1000 and you get 3000 grams. 30 grams to milligrams. Again, the conversion rate is 1000. Grams is bigger and milligrams is smaller. So we multiply. So 30 into 1000. Children, I hope you remember multiplication by the multiples of 10. So what do? You just multiply the factors as it is. So 3 into 1, I'm repeating this again and again every time. So I write 3 into 1 is 3, sorry. 3 into 1 is 3, and I keep on adding the number. I just add the number of zeros, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Don't get confused here. Don't forget this 4, 0. Don't forget this 4 0. So 4 zeros, that makes it 30,000. This is a very, very, very common error. Children do it. They just write it 3,000. They forget that 1 0 which is here with 30. It happens very because you all are just in so much of hush push during the exam. You all tend to forget. Children, don't forget, especially when we are doing it with 1000 और यहाँ पर भी एक या दो zero हैं. Okay, so don't forget this 4 0. So 1 0, 2 0, 3 0, and 4 0, which makes it 30,000. And if I put a comma here, that will be wonderful. It clearly reads out to be 30,000 milligrams. Okay, so I hope you all are understanding this. It's not so difficult. We have done it by doing conversion from meter to kilometer to meter. We are using 1000 as the conversion rate. So with this, children, I hope you all have understood. We'll just recapitulate in a minute that kg is the biggest unit and milligrams is the smallest unit, and grams in between the milligrams and kg. But the conversion rate for all three is 1000 because 1 kg is 1000 grams and 1 gram is 1000 milligrams. So when I convert to any of this unit shuffling in sequence, of course, kg is biggest, then grams, then milligrams. The conversion rate is 1000. If suppose one point which I would like to discuss, which are we doing it during the grams also, is that is if I take a continuous jump, means a straight jump from kg to milligrams, तो कितना हो जाएगा conversion rate? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will have to put 6 zeros, and that makes how many thousands? That makes how many thousands or how many lakhs? That's a good question for you children. अगर मुझे kg से milligrams पे directly जाना है, so I'm going to ask this in tomorrow's live session. Will I multiply it just by 1000 or I am going to multiply it with more? Because this specific question I'm going to discuss in case of lengths also, and I'm going to discuss in case of kg, grams and milligrams also tomorrow. So be prepared कि when I jump directly from kg to milligrams, what will be my conversion rate? When I directly jump from kilometer to centimeter, what will be my conversion rate? When I skip one unit in between, what are going to be my conversion rates? You'll have to be mentally prepared with this answer because this is the type I'm going to discuss tomorrow's live session. These type of questions, okay? I'm not going to discuss it right now in the live session, but yes, you can keep something in mind to reply to me faster. Okay, so I hope the concept is clear to you people. And you, as I told you all, These are to be marked in your notebook in a box with a star, and you have to, like you learn your table, this has to be in your mind like your table. To we convert from bigger to smaller, we multiply. From smaller to bigger, we divide with the conversion rate. So please, children, do remember, and I'll see you all in tomorrow's live session with lot of questions and different way of solving the questions. So have a good day, children, and I'll see you in tomorrow's live session. Thank you so much.